Namaste. I'm Rosalie, and this is a short guided meditation to relax your whole body. Find a comfortable shape and allow your eyes to blink closed. We'll begin by taking 2 sips of air through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And again. One more. Now bring all your awareness to the crown of your head, allowing all the muscles of the crown of your head to relax. And allow this feeling of relaxation to flow downwards like a gentle wave, rolling down into your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, your whole face completely relaxed. And allow this feeling of relaxation to flow downwards into your shoulders, flowing through the arms, all the way to your fingertips. Relax your chest, your belly, your hips, flowing down through your legs, all the way to the tips of your toes. From the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, the whole body softening, letting go. And settle back into this space of ease and comfort for a few breaths. Now take a big inhale and let it go. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie and I release a new video every week. So if you like this meditation, I'd be grateful if you consider subscribing to my channel. And please come back to this practice whenever you want to give yourself a quick reset. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.